Hi, my name is David Lai. I'm a Clinical Marketing Manager at Elekta. Today I'd like to show you a quick demonstration of Monaco. Alright guys, let's take a quick look at how we can generate a very fast VMAT plan in Monaco. We're going to start a new Monaco plan and select a VMAT template. You can see templates are quite powerful. They preserve all necessary plan geometries, including prescription information, as well as IMRT optimization information, and we can commence optimization immediately. We can also take advantage of multi-criterial on our constraints. Multi-criterial optimization allows Monaco, with constrained optimization, to optimize a plan continuously, lowering doses to organs at risk whilst preserving target coverage. As stage 1 progresses, we can observe the dose distribution updating live on the patient. Using multi-criterial optimization allows Monaco to automatically lower doses to organs at risk, including the patient tissue, whilst preserving target coverage. We can see very nice conformal target coverage in the red isodose line here. As we scroll down to the lower parts of the patient, we can see that nice conformal distribution maintained, but also guaranteeing that the lowest dose to the organ at risk, the rectum, is maintained as well. As we continue stage 2 optimization, which is where Monaco applies its Monte Carlo dose calculation and segment shape optimization, which allows Monaco to modify segment weights, shapes, and provide highly efficient delivery sequences, VMAT plans, maximizing the delivery capabilities, in this case of Elekta's Versa HD Linac. We'll see within a few moments the plan slowly optimize and converge in stage 2 to provide us with a very, very satisfactory, high quality, but efficient plan. We can see that with stage 2 optimization, the dose calculation using Monte Carlo is complete. Segment shape optimization is slowly improving the plan quality. We're at a point now where we can immediately skip forward our plan, ensuring that we've achieved all necessary criteria. And within moments, we have a finished VMAT plan in Monaco. Within less than 5 minutes, we've completed a prostate plan using Monaco's templates, multi-criterial optimization, ensuring maximum delivery efficiency with Versa HD. Okay, so there you have it. That's Monaco. If you have any more questions about Monaco, please contact your local sales representative. Thank you.